Wow, this is a free range type of range goats. Yeah, that's it. The goats. It's a free range. So it's late at night. It's around 9:30 p.m. at the time I'm recording this video. And see the goats? They relax outside. And this is where they're going to sleep. Hey, bodyguard. How you doing? You good? Come over here. Buddy. That's it. Goat rearing business is good. Rear goats, then you can. This is a pregnant. It's called Sweet Mother. We also have another one. It's called Princess. They have been given names and they have been ear tagged so that you don't get a lot of argument when the goats move and join other people's goats. Yep. No, in Ghana, in Africa, sometimes there's a lot of these disputes when it comes to rearing of animals. So, in order not to get issues with neighbors and other people around, we ear tag our goats. Then, if they come, we count them and see. If they up, if they not up, we go outside and look for them, search for them. Then we bring them to join. These are beautiful goats, very beautiful. See the goats, they are very nice. Let me get closer and give you a nice shot about it. Yeah. Yep. Wonderful goats. Yep. How are you doing? Come over here. Uh, uh, Goat rearing is very simple. It needs some techniques, some technicalities. If you're interested, I'll show you all how to do that. You're looking very healthy and strong. Yep. You're doing very well. They are strong. They're healthy. Yep.